Hello everyone, welcome back. Now, this is where things get interesting. Training in a multi pet household. Because one pet is manageable, but multiple pets, that's a whole different game. Let me ask you, do your pets get along perfectly, or is there chaos sometimes? Competing for attention, fighting over food or toys, ignoring commands when together. Totally normal, and yes, we can fix it. First step, understand the group dynamics. Each pet has their own personality, their own energy, and their own learning speed. So don't treat them exactly the same. Train individually first. This is very important. Before training together, train each pet separately. Make sure each one understands sit, stay, come. This creates a strong foundation. Introduce group training slowly. Once they understand basics, bring them together in short sessions. Start simple, ask both to sit, reward calm behavior. Keep it controlled. Reward calm behavior around each other. When your pets stay calm, ignore each other, respond to commands, reward them immediately. This teaches that calm behavior around others means they'll both get reward. Manage food and toys carefully. This is where conflicts happen. Avoid feeding too close initially, sharing high value toys. Instead, separate feeding spaces and supervise playtime. That will prevent competition. Watching the body language, looking for signs of tension, dominance, fear. If you notice stress, separately calm them. Reset the situation. Don't wait for the situation to escalate. You need to always stay in control. This is the most important thing, giving them equal attention. Pets notice fairness. If one gets more attention, others may react. So, train each pet, spend time individually, balance your interaction. One bonus tip, use names clearly. When giving commands, use the pet's name first. Example, Rocky, sit. Luna, stay. This avoids confusion. Quick multi-pet exercise. Try this today. Call each pet one by one. Reward individually and keep others waiting. This builds discipline and focus. Multi-pet training is not about control. It's about balance and clarity. Because once your pets understand structure, harmony replaces chaos. And here's something powerful, multiple pets don't mean more problems, it means more opportunities to build leadership. And you are doing exactly that. So, in the next lecture, we'll prepare for another important situation, vet visits without stress. This is crucial for your pet's health and comfort. So, stay consistent, stay balanced, and I'll see you in the next lecture.